Welcome. This book is a very beautiful book, highly recommended. You should go get it, by T. Oluwa Sam Oladapo. Now, this book is a very good book. It's a very great book. The author spoke about focus. The design was created by our brother, a very well-respected graphic designer, creative, Mr. Achebe Emmanuel. We have done one or two of his design in this design challenge. Now, the reason why we are replicating this design, I'm showing you how you can achieve some kind of effect or concept with your smartphone. I'm not telling you to go and copy the design. No. I'm not trying to copy a design. We don't copy a design. We draw inspiration from the design. So just in case you want to do this kind of effect in one of your designs, I want to show you how you can do it. So I'm going to create this book. So some people are asking me, is it just flyer you do in your design channel? No, this time I want to do a full book design and mock-up. All right, so go get this book. I'm going to drop the link in the description for you to get the book. I'm going to drop the username of the original designer. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to clear the space right now. I'll just clear it now. All right, so this is on the book side, the book cover the side. We're going to go to a Google. I'm going to type here. Let's go for ebook cover size in pixel. So let's go with this 2,560 for the height and then 1,600 for the width. So let's go with that. So let's click here for the height 2,560, then for the width 1,600. Most of the time your ebook covers, they are like this. All right, what's the next thing we're going to do right now? The next thing we're going to do right now is to get the image, which is going to be the first source of our design, right? This particular image right here. Okay, now I'm going to just drag the image, okay, like this. You get it? Now if you want to get the correct, this is the way it is, as you can see, right? You can see how it is, right? And this is our own now. This is the way it is, right? You know the idea. Look at it. Look at this. Look at it again. Look at this. All right, so see what I want to do right now. I want the width to be increased to 800. All right, then I'll put this one here. You get me now? You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Okay, so like the video because you're going to be learning a whole lot. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to save this particular design. Sorry, I'm going to save this particular image. Take note of, I'm saving it first. All right, I've saved it. Then I'm going to now create that focus effect. Now let's use a font. Now I may not get the original font, but let me show you something. Focus. So we have a font here that we want to try. We have this font called Space Grotex. All right, we'll just make it bold. All right, so I'm going to rotate. Come on, I'm going to rotate it. Remember, the first thing I did was to save this image. All right, so let's see. All right. You were to me. You were. All right, focus. All right, so let's go. We are going to space this thing again. Oh, space. We are going to space this thing again. Oh, space. All right. You were. Okay. You were to me. Drag it like this. All right. Okay, the space is too much. Let's close the space up a little. Bring it there. All right. Okay, so we are done with the design itself. Okay, now I want to get the name. So let's come here to WhatsApp. Let's copy the name. So let me. Oh, okay. So let me just type it. It's T Olu, not T Olu. Let me see. Okay, so it's all caps because T Olu Wa. All right, so we're just going to do this, make it all caps, and I'll copy it. All right, so that's going to be for the name. We'll just come here, paste it. Please like this video. This video is going to be a little bit long, not so long actually. Let me not scare you. All right, so like, share, comment. So click here, click bold, look for a white color. All right, there. All right, so let's see again. Like, share, comment. Right, 7 minutes is gone, so that is just small there. So we'll just come here, reduce it, and then we'll increase the line spacing. All right, then we'll centralize this guy. All right, so we are done. We are as in we are done. So the next one to do right here is the focus. We're gonna come here. We'll come here like this. We'll get this at the part we want the want it to appear. Okay, so let's say somewhere here like this. You get me now? So look at it very well to know where you want to put yours. So want it somewhere here like this. Then we're going to come here. We're going to make it transparent. You get me now? So we'll make it transparent. All right, so a lot of thought process you need to go into your design. All right, so I've thought it through. I've thought of everything I want to do before I'm doing it right now. See what I want to do right now. So this particular guy now, I'm going to remove it. This. Okay. Then I'm going to bring in because this shape now, this particular shape, I want it to be transparent. I want it to appear at the back of this particular design. To do that, you have to think very well. So what I want to do right now is this. I'm going to bring a shape like this, like a shape. Okay, a shape like this. Let's call this shape Marcus. Let's bring Marcus and let's bring this white shape. Let's call it Julie. Let's bring Julie to the front and let's use a red for Julie. So this is the shape I've created. All right. Now we want to merge both of them together. Marcus and Julie merged together. All right. I have merged both of them together. I am now going to come here and I'm going to remove the background of. If I remove the background of Julie, I'm going to see Marcus. You get me now? If I remove the background of Julie, I'm going to see Marcus. Look at what we are going to do. If I remove the background of Julie, I'm going to see Marcus. But I'm just trying to illustrate something to you. So if I remove this background right now, not this one, if I remove this one, the red one, we are going to see Marcus. Are you seeing it now? Get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So in order for us to get it like this done, we'll now come here. We'll now go to blur images online. Blur images online. We'll now click here, Lunar Peak. That's the first one. We'll click on Lunar Peak, the first one. I'm gonna open now. Then we'll now click on choose. We'll now have to choose this particular design, the one we have saved. This one, the one we first saved. Remember, we saved one. We'll now upload it here. We'll now blur the background. All right. So we'll blur the background to your taste. So let me check the design. You see it now. You blur it very well to your taste. So let's blur. Okay, move now. Okay, blur it very well. Are you seeing it now? Blur it very well to your taste. Still blur it. Okay, blur. All right, so I've blurred it. In fact, I finished the blur. Finish everything. Then you click on apply. Once you've applied, you can come over here and click on save to your device. It has been downloaded. Now we're going to bring it back. We're bringing it back, right? Bring it like this. Bring it like this. Now we are now going to increase it like this, and then we'll lock it. I've locked it. All right. Then we'll bring in Julie. This is Julie. All right. Julie came with a brother. So let's remove the brother. Let's remove the brother. Let's remove that. I want us to remove the white. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just showing you what to do. I'm remove the white, right? So leaving Julie alone. All right. Now I'm going to merge Julie with the blurred image, but this time you need to change the background of Julie to something that is not on the blurred the blurred image. So let's say white. You have to look at it very well, because if there's any white, to remove it. So let's look at it very well. Something that is not there at all. Let's use purple, for example. Okay, not bad. So we're not going to merge both of them together. So we'll merge Julie and this blurred background together. We'll have this. We have one entity now. So we can come here on this one entity. We can come here and then we'll click on erase background, erase color. We'll now focus on the purple. Oh, focus on the purple. This is what we're going to get as the result. This is what we're going to get. So it's not going to show us what is behind that image. So what we'll do here, we'll just lock this one. We'll bring this one to the front. We'll bring this one to the front. So this is what we have, right? This is what we have. Then you want to work on all the other stuff that we see there, that we are seeing there. So how do we do that? Very, very easy. We just come here. We'll come here. All right, we'll come here. We'll just put this one here. Put it there. All right, then put it here. All right, then we'll come here. We'll remove it. Just add the outline to it. One is enough. Come here, white. All right, are you seeing that now? So then the other one, let's see this one. So we have this one that looks like okay. So let's go. So what we'll do now, we'll just come here, copy, reduce, put it here, then drag it here. So what we'll do now, so we'll just come here. Let me see it again. Okay, the middle is removed and all this part is removed. So we'll just come here, we'll clean eraser. All right, you just remove part of it like this, remove part of it like this. We'll take it down to this place, and then we'll take it down to this place. Then we'll remove the middle here. All right, so if we do that, we'll get something like this. Are you getting me now? Then for this focus, all right, all we need to do is to get the C alone by itself. All right, we get the C alone by itself so that we can create that focus effect. All right, so let me just go over to let me save it. Let me save it first. All right, so let me save it. Let me show you what I want to do. So I'm just going to come here. I will just click on focus here. All right, so my focus is just the O. That's my focus. I'm just going to come here. I'm going to click here. Where is it? Here. Then I'm going to click on bold. All right, I'm just going to come here. I'm going to move now. I will increase it. All right, so I'll just do this. All right, so I'm just going to come here. I will click on. So the bold, the focus is the same thing. So we're going to put a plus, but before we put a plus, we're just going to save it first as a PNG. All right, 16 minutes is gone though. Time is flying. We have not done the back even self. Okay, so this is it, right? We'll not focus on the back in the design in this particular tutorial. Maybe we'll just do it. Okay, so this is the focus, right? All right, so this 0 or this O, we're going to remove it now. Okay, so we're going to import that other one. All right, so you depend on the tools you are using. You just have to find a way to achieve what you want. All right, it depends on the tool that you are using, whether it's CorelDRAW, whether it's Photoshop. Just know the tool, know how to use them, and find a way to achieve your desired result. So right here, I'm just going to come here now. Sorry, not there. Eraser. I'm just going to erase. Let me zoom in. I'm just going to erase like this. All right. I'll erase like this, and then I'll erase like this. All right. So we can actually use that. Okay. Then you get a plus, of course. So just copy one of these and double click it and change it to plus, and then reduce it inside this guy. If it doesn't want to reduce, okay, you move. All right, so that's that. You're done with the front cover. Okay, so when you're done with front cover, we want to save it. So I'm going to save it right here. Save. I've saved it now. All right, so in this tutorial I would have done the back, but I don't really see. I don't think we should do it, so that doesn't take all our time. But we can actually do it. But then let's leave it. So let's go to the mockup now. So I have this mockup, but I'm going to check for a mockup that accommodates the spine and the front cover finish, the spine and the front cover. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to now look for that mockup that accommodates the spine and the front cover. So I'll go to downloads and look for that mockup now. So let me check this one first. All right, so I have these mockups. This is not what I'm looking for. So let's check. Let's go to let's check this, not that. Let's check this, not that. Let's check this, not that. Okay, let's check this now, not this. All right, so I couldn't get the exact mockup I wanted. Okay, so but we can do something. So let me save this one first as an image. I couldn't get the mockup I wanted, so I've saved this one as an image. Then I'm going to save the focus itself as an image also. Then this name, we're just going to copy it because I want to use it for the next thing I want to do right now. So I'm going to remove everything else and leave the focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll leave the focus, only the focus. Sorry. All right, so I'm going to save it now. All right, so that's done. So we still have the height as 2560. Okay, so we're going to just come here. Now I'm going to remove the focus. So come here and then we'll click on the background. Is that blurry background? So this one is the background. So just come here. We'll click on this. All right, so let's say 200. See what will give us. No. All right, click here and enable it like this. So no, let's make it 300. All right. So let's make it 300 is not bad. Okay, so we're just going to move it like this. That is this guy now. We're going to move it like this and make it fill this whole guy. So what I'm trying to create now is the what's it called, is the spine. So I just did this. All right, so I'm going to import the focus. All right, so I couldn't get the exact mockup that I wanted to use in this particular design tutorial, so I'm going to drop a link in the description for you to watch one of my book cover design. All right, so I'm going to put the focus here. All right, so that's just that. So focus. Okay. All right, so that's that. So I'm going to put it here, focus. Then the name is going to be just there. So let me click, put the name there. All right, so let's rotate it like this. Then let's bring it here and let's drag it like this. Let's put it there. So let's change the font also. The font to these are fonts here. Let's make it bold. And let's make it bold, right? Then we'll drag it like this. Let's still drag it a little to the space. Bring it here. Okay. So all right, still drag it a little. Still increase the space. All right, still increase it a little. Still drag this. Bring it here. Use the focus and bring it here. Use the focus. All right, so that's that. Just go ahead and save it. You don't want to use this. Is just a demonstration, right? Remember, I'm not saying you should copy the design. I'm saying you should learn from the design. Learn from the design. All right. So let's go to since we couldn't get the one I wanted to use, let's go to this website here. All right. So we're going to go here. We're going to select a template. So let's look for a decent template. So this template is very nice. All right. Or any of them you want to choose, depends on you. So I like that one. When you select it, you just come here. You click on next. The first one is usually the book itself, the cover itself. So click on browse and you select the one that we have saved, which is this one. This one we just designed right now. Click on upload. The second one is usually the spine. This is this one we just saved. Click on upload and you'll see it uploading. This is the front, it's going to upload for you. Then this is the spine, it's going to upload for you. All right, so when you're done, click on next. Then it's going to take you to here. You click on save. You want to save it as a JPEG, you click on JPEG. You want to save it as a PNG, click on PNG. I always prefer saving it as a PNG because it will come without a background. So click on PNG and wait for it to download for you. Instantly it has downloaded. When you are done, then you can come here. And you can do other ones. So you can come here and you can say, for example, you want the one that is going to be on your phone like this. All right, you can click on it like a tablet like this. You can click on it and do the same for it. Okay, but that's not what I want to do in this particular. Okay, let's do it. Let's just do it. No time. Just click here and click on. Since it's already been uploaded, click on next. Click on PNG. It will save again. Once you save, you go back again. Then you do the one for phone. So you select this phone. I usually select this one. All right, so come here, click on next. It's already uploaded. Click on next and click on PNG. What I'm teaching you now, people are paying money for it to learn it in a one class. I'm telling you. So if you like, play with it. If you like, don't take it as something that is important to you. Wahala. All right, God bless you. So I'm going to come here right now. I'm going to now click on this. Now I want to do the book. It's called composite mockup. I'm going to click here. You can see the first one here. You can see the book. This is the first one. All right, so we're going to use a very simple background. This one I'm going to faint it inside here. This one I'm going to do the same thing, faint it inside. So we have something like this. All right, so this is it now. This is it. This is the book. Remember, the purpose of this is not to steal the design. No. We are not doing that. I'm just showing you how to use your tools to accomplish or to get your job done. All right, this is the Kindle version. This is the mobile version. All right, so go and buy the book. I'm going to put the link in the description. Right, if you are interested in getting the book, I'll put a link in the description and you'll see it. Right, so this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you got value. I hope you learned how to blur images and then make it script like this, make it come out like this. All right, so I hope you learned that in this. Look at it. All right, so I just showed you how to accomplish this. I hope you like the video. Please go and follow the person that created this particular concept. His name is Achebe Emmanuel. The link is in the description of this video. Click on the link and follow him. Then check his page. You'll see this particular design. There's going to be a link or something to buy the book. Click on it and buy. This is a very great book. All right, thank you so much for watching. My name is Nia Muda and I will see you in the next one. Do it to subscribe.